Hey guys, it's Mark of Mark and Linda's X Adventures. I'm going to do a cool unboxing for you guys today. We're going to get into the Tessan travel adapter. It is a universal adapter. It is 65 watts. I want to open this bad boy up and have a look. TS-WTA03. Let's go. Alright, let's start our unboxing. This is the TS-WTA03. It is a 65 watt universal travel adapter by Tessan. They have a really good packaging here. I'm not sure what GAN stands for, but maybe somebody could tell me. Here are some of the specs on the back. Really nicely done. Let's get into it, shall we? Alright, so you'll open it. This is the card that comes with it. Let's see, how does little instruction manual. I open that completely backwards, of course. Kind of runs through everything there. Alright, let's see, maybe I could do that quickly. Okay. Now inside we're going to find our adapter. Okay. Done a great job of packaging this up. There it is. It's a 65 watt adapter. I am honestly not sure what that even means. I'm not sure of it. I don't know. I do know for a fact, though, that it'll do multiple countries. It'll do USA, it'll do UK, EU. So what you do is you take your thumb and you push in, right? Like you'll push in and then push out as you're pushing. And then it just pops right out of there. I think these other ones have to be all the way back. Yeah, there we go. So these have to be all the way to the back. Then you can push the next one out. Now this one's EU countries. All right, okay, so then what do we got here? We've got like, sometimes, I guess sometimes it goes like this. Sometimes it goes like this. But this is UK, all right? England, London, whatnot. You have United States. United States plugs are weird because we're the only ones that use them. Australia, you turn this, and then, so there's a similar, but it's got this design there. You can also turn these the other direction. You know, whatever reason. Here we are. Now, why do you need a travel adapter? Well, if you've got a head shaver that's from Poland, all right, Europe, and then you're in the United States, and you want to use your head shaver, well, you push the United States plug out, and then here on the back side, you'll plug in your thing, just like that. Now, you can use your head shaver in the United States. You know what? You can use it in London, too. I mean, this is just redundant and silly, but you could do that if you wanted to. How fun. But yeah, so the ideas of using your electronics, let's say you had a charging cord, that had a United States plug, right? Right here. I mean, you're good to go. All of Europe, all right? All of the UK. Even Australia. So you can charge your phone, whatever else you want to. Now it has USB ports here. USB-A, I believe is what they call this. And then it also has USB-C ports. So you would just plug your USB in there also. So you could potentially charge 1, 2, 3, 4 devices, right? And maybe something else. So this could do five different devices pretty easily, depending on how you set it up, but wow, anywhere in the world you can go. Plug your stuff in. And this thing is rugged. I mean, it's almost heavy. Very solidly made. Very impressive. I think the guys at Tessan, I mean, kudos to you. You really did a great job. I don't know what the GAN stands for. I don't know what that means. But hey, if you guys are looking for a universal travel adapter, I mean, what more do you want? what could you possibly look for? Because this is absolutely it. And it is built, that is built rugged. I mean, like a tank. So, let's see. The guys at Tessan did a wonderful job. And I like their packaging too. This is cool. All right. So that was my unboxing of this travel adapter. I think it's the TS-WTA03. And it is a universal travel adapter. And I think they mean it. You could just plug this in anywhere and just rock on. So they did send this to me to kind of show you guys. So thank you so much to the guys over at Tessan. I really do appreciate it. Me and Linda, we do a lot of travel and are always looking for better things. Sometimes we do get cheapy things, but sometimes we get really good stuff. This is one of those really good stuff things. All right, thanks for tuning in, guys. This was Mark of Mark and Linda's X Adventures. Thanks for watching. All right, here we are in the bathroom. I am, in fact, in the United States. So I will do the United States thing. And I will take my Polish hair trimmer, plug it in, thusly. And I will take this thing and watch it go. Look at this magic. Universal travel adapter. Let's see. Perfecto, as the Italians say. We could do some trimming, hey. Really cool. I think you can pretty much plug this into anything in the whole wide world and it will work. Good job, guys. Love it.